Hey y'all, Rambling Wanderer here. Broke down on the side of the road. Don't know what happened, lost oil pressure. Sorry I ain't talked to y'all in a minute, but I hurt my arm pretty bad getting into the truck one day. Somehow I just slipped off the step and tore myself up. Anyhow, sitting on the side of the road here. Hood open. My triangles out. Just waiting for them to decide what they're gonna do with me here. Keep you all updated, guys. Repair guy just got here about five and a half hours. Let's see what he has to say.
My name is Rambling Wanderer. Grew up working ground and corn, morning chores and evening chores. Blisters on my hands, boots worn. Learned to love that red dirt. Old hound asleep in the barn, shooting bucks at daylight, driving tractors through the dark.
Howdy.
Now I'm rambling.
I'd be doing better
You weren't sitting on the side of the
if I
road.
wasn't sitting on the side of the road.
Yes, sir.
Checked it this morning. She got an oil leak, but not like a terrible one. Takes about a gallon a week. That's about it. Put a gallon in this morning before I left. When I lost oil pressure, got up here, I checked it. It was down just a little tiny bit. I added another half gallon and it didn't do anything, obviously.
What's it showing on the oil pressure?
Well, when it was hot, I had about 8 pounds at an idle. And at highway speed, which is about, what, 1700 RPM,
Right.
I was getting about 32, where I'm usually almost 60. But I've only started it once since then, and that was just to microwave some food. I don't want to kill the batteries. So it only ran for about 2 minutes. But at that point, it was at like 12 pounds.
Gotcha. 2 grams. What year model is this truck?
19. Guys, mechanic finally came back with some parts. We've been doing this since before 10 a.m. It is now 7:12. He left for parts around 3-ish. How we doing? Now I know Ivan called you. What'd you guys share for thoughts?
He's kind of thinking the same way I am. He was asking me, he's like, "You're not dropping the coolant out of that change it." I was like, "I don't see why you'd have to. I mean, it's a bitch to get to a little bit, but it ain't just awful. I'm not going to take the water pump off to get to it." He said, "Man, you'd be surprised how many of these trucks we've had to pay to have them do the water pump because they can't get to them." And I was like, "They just trying to charge you fucking money." It's not my thing here. I've owned his own truck my whole life. I've seen him get ripped off. I just morally, I can't do it. If I can do it cheaper for him, I'm going to do it cheaper as I can.
Well, I'll let you at it. You need something from me? I'll be sitting right in the truck waiting on you, brother.
You good?
All right, I'll give it a shot. Only came up to 22.
Good deal.
That's good? I thought cold it should be much higher.
It should be, the oil as thin as it is, old as it is, it should be somewhere around 25 cold.
That's it, just dumped to nothing.
Nothing.
Yep. Getting ready to do a shutdown. I didn't think it was going to be the sensor. Hey y'all, Rambling Wanderer here.
Slow like a chump.
Still in the same spot as yesterday. I haven't moved an inch. I sent the mechanic out, put in oil pressure sensor, didn't do anything. There's still no oil pressure in the truck, so at least I got a pretty view. Well, other than all the bushes, but they said there's somebody out, I guess, with some parts. They're gonna pull oil pan out and do all sorts of things. And, well, I'll give you another update in a little bit. Ramble, wander out. Y'all have a blessed day. What up?
How'd he get in here? He cut up through there? Or he just backed straight up?
No, he pulled straight on, nose to nose.
Oh, he drove forward.
Yeah.
Sketchy things. I can't see around you.
Well, all you got to do is pull all the way to the grass and come all the way up.
I know, but I don't know. You just drive too safe. I drive like recklessly, and I know other people probably do it too. Somebody be hauling ass around you, and I am. And I don't know if I either go down one or come up right.
Now I'm rambling, wander on this interstate. See, got a long book.
How are we doing, Ivan? I see that. Just about out.
Those idiots calling me. Someone showed up there needing a tire. Wire all over it. Come on, it's bad. It's real bad. Well, why did you wait so long? Yeah, man. Shit, man. You know how it is, man. Every time I come up there, y'all keep holding me up there for too long, man. Shit, man. Okay, well now, what?
Y'all rambling wander here. I'm trying to get out the truck here. Mechanic from our shop showed up and he's pulling it apart, working on it. He's got mess all over the place.
All over the place.
All over the place.
It'll be alright.
So he's working on trying to get us some oil pressure here. And it takes all this mess here to get her done. So just wanted to give you all an update. When we get a little bit further, I'll let y'all know. But the sky sure has an ominous feel here now. Kind of nasty out here. Cooled down quite a bit. Got the feel of rain coming. I guess Memphis is getting their asses handed to them right now for weather. Ivan's just going crazy, tearing it down. There it comes, look at that. Came out perfect timing, I guess, huh?
There's that hole. Oh.
Oh.
Don't come off easy.
Well, some good O-rings, I'll give it that. They're wet in the tubes, that's for damn sure.
No. They say you're supposed to spin it with your hand or something. But
If you can't spin it, it's good. If you can, they gotta be replaced, they said. That's videos I watched anyhow.
I always just replace them anyways. I'm not taking the fucking oil pan off again. I need to get off the scraper.
Alright, y'all, we're running. We got oil pressure.
Hey, see that?
Yep. That's a
oil
dipstick? Yeah. Where's it coming from?
It appears to be coming from the oil tank section that stupid motherfucking tank. There's a little copper ring that goes in there. Did he give you the old one or anything? Damn, I forgot to tell you. Fuck! I mean, I guess you can drive, but that shit is leaking bad.
It's pissing out. Look at that puddle.
Yeah, because that fucking idiot!
You want me to call him?
Why? What is he gonna fucking do?
Is he still got
Tell
it?
him how fucking stupid he is?
Well,
I mean, if you can, call him, tell him, does he have a fucking copper ring? Did he put it in there? Because I doubt it. It wouldn't be leaking like that.
Well, let me call him. All right, guys. It's raining beat hell out. We did get it fixed. We had a pretty bad leak from mechanic that came out last night. He forgot to put brass bushing behind the sending unit, so it was leaking quite a bit, about a quart every 10 minutes or so. So we had to pull that apart and fix that again. Like I said, sorry about ending up this video like this, but we're golden. We got pressure. Ivan's on his way back. Charlotte, we're all good. Alright, Ramblin' Wanderer out. Hey y'all, Ramblin' Wanderer here. Just wanted to let you know they got me all fixed up. I got rolling again. It took around 34 hours or so to get me rolling. I'm finally at my customer, and naturally they're not open again until 8 o'clock in the morning. So, but I'm ready here with their stuff. A couple days late, but that it is what it is. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. Ramblin' Wanderer out. Y'all have a blessed evening. Thank you. Hey y'all, Ramblin' Wanderer here. Back on the road. I'm going down Alabama 247. It was actually closed for a long time. They said they were doing some bridge work. I haven't seen any bridge work yet, and I'm more than halfway through this, going back down to Russellville. But I kind of miss taking this way. It's a little hilly, so if you got a load, it's going to be a little rough. But the views are just amazing this way. I miss old back road trucking. Everything's now on the interstate. These back roads are where America was built. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is out there. Anyhow, Ramblin' Wanderer out. Y'all be safe. Like, share, subscribe, comment, y'all. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, I'm rambling a wander on this interstate.